are demonstrating conversation mode, which is a feature within Automate VX multi-camera speaker tracking solution.
This feature will make sure that we incorporate both your active speaker as well as the person who most recently spoke.
So in this mode, remote participants can easily follow the conversation.
Conversation mode is optimal for meetings where there's a lot of collaboration and a lot of quick back and forth between active speakers.
But if one person speaks long enough, say takes over the conversation in its entirety, it's going to go back to a full screen switching mode. That way you're not lingering on different people in the audience, and the focus of the meeting goes right to whoever's the most relevant participant.
And this time threshold is completely customizable, as are so many things in Automate VX.
Once you've enabled conversation mode, you can also leave it on or turn it off during the call.
To learn more about conversation mode and other great features within Automate VX, please reach out to your Crestron sales representative for more information.